My name's Simon, I represent NJO Technology. We're a local-based manufacturer here in Kendal of LED light. That's the goal, is to remove that older, more power-hungry technology and replace it with
why do we want to do that, really?
Well, it's to reduce the impact on the environment and to reduce our fuel bills. So now there's lots of different things we're focusing on to make that whole process more efficient. More efficient power supplies is one, more efficient use of the light, turning the lights on and off better, and then the actual light itself generating the light more efficiently, and that's where the LED comes in.
What sort of products are people really interested in buying?
It depends very much on the user and what their situation is, but the big interest at the moment is in replacement retrofit bulb lights, if you like, to go straight into place of where you did have one of these old-fashioned incandescent bulbs. You want to take that out and insert something very simply in its place without having to change any of your wiring or your power supplies or anything like that.
What sort of bulbs would you suggest?
So you've got many different types, of course, because there are so many different types out there on the market, and basically we're talking from sort of GU10 equivalent things. You might recognise these from your downlights in your kitchen or your bathroom or something like that, this sort of socket. And that's instead of running at 25, 30 watts this only draws 3 watts of power. So it's a hell of a saving. And the light that it's equivalent to a 25, 30 watt bulb in the old incandescent or halogen style. So that's sort of the small end. So much larger downlights that you put in place of your downlights in your kitchen, and they're generating a lot more light. Again, though, very efficiently, 12 watts for a unit like that is equivalent to a 100 watt bulb, and a good bit of light from it, all directed on the space that you need the light on, not just spread everywhere and being wasted. The beauty of it is you don't have to go through one by one replacing your bulbs every year to make sure they're ready to go on your Christmas tree. They're all ready to go straight away. They run at probably 1/10 the power that the old Christmas lights run, so it's a big saving on your energy bills at Christmas time, which all helps. And yeah, it's a really good product. We're aimed at sort of a large-scale building project where you might have a bar or a restaurant or a hotel, and you want to put a little bit of colour or highlight some of the interesting details in your building. We do a lot of heritage buildings where they have such ornate carvings on cornices and things, and we use LED lighting, low profile, so it's not detracting from the effect of the building, but getting that light onto the nice decorative things that you want to highlight.
And it's a business. Is this the way we're going now?
Yeah, I mean, certainly from hotels and function centres and that sort of thing, to have that extra pull of a decorative thing that someone wanting to hold their function there can have a real mood enhancement type effect in there, and that is the sort of way people are going. And of course nowadays you have to draw the attention of the customer to you with so many people out there, that one of the ways to do it is have a really nice display, a showroom with really great lighting or whatever, just to make you that little bit unique and that little bit interesting. And that's where we come in and are